Hello, Coach Del here. Welcome sa Day 5 Module, Part 1, Market Match 101. Who will your story help? Okay, ang main goal natin ay ma-identify ng malinaw kung sino ang target reader or target audience ng ebook mo para mas maging powerful ang outline ng chapters at messaging. Kahapon, gumawa na tayo ng one-page outline, pero may isang importanteng bagay tayong kailangan klaruhin. Ito yung para kanino ba talaga ang ebook mo. Kapag malinaw ang target reader mo, mas madali kang makapagsulat ng kwento at aral na talagang tatama sa puso ng audience mo. At mas madali mo rin silang ma-encourage and yes, mas may chance bumili sila ng ebook mo. So today, tutulungan kitang gawin yan. May isi-share lang akong isang story na. Ito ay tungkol kay Mang Ben at ang Pandikoko ebook. Si Mang Ben isang home baker. Gumawa siya ng ebook, How to Bake Perfect Pandikoko. Pero nung una, binenta niya to sa mga regular na buyers ng tinapay. Ang problema, yung mga regular buyers gusto kumain, hindi mag-bake. Alright, so nung tinulungan siyang ma-focus, nung tinulungan namin si Mang Ben na ma-focus ang audience niya sa mga aspiring home bakers, yun, nakabenta lang naman ng 56 copies in 1 month. Kaya super important to na kilalanin or kilala mo ba kung sino ang gusto mong tulungan? Next, alam mo ba kung anong gusto nilang maramdaman? Yung matutunan at ma-achieve? Okay? So, for our step 1, let's clarify your target audience. Let's do this. Kunwari kausap mo si ChatGPT or yung notebook mo. Who will benefit most from your ebook? Sino ang pinaka makaka-relate sa kwento mo? Ito yung mga example questions. Are they students, OFWs, mga mamshi ba yan, small business owners, or hobbyists? And ang next question is, ano ang age range nila? Tama? And also, ano yung language or yung tone na ginagamit nila? Formal ba? Casual? Or conversational? Say for example, ang ebook mo ay From Failures to License. So definitely ang target reader dyan ay board exam repeaters. Mga 20 to 30 years old, stressed at discouraged. Okay? So ang tone ng ebook must be encouraging, supportive, and relatable. Ganon, right? So, now, let's go to step 2, identify pain points and goals. Okay? Let's try to map out. Una, anong problema ng audience mo na kayang sagutin ng ebook mo? Pangalawa, ano ang mga goals nila na matutulungan mo ma-achieve? Say for example, kung ang audience mo ay board exam repeaters, usually ang pain points nila ay self-doubt, walang clear strategy, pagod ng mag-review. And ang mga goals nila ay naturally makatapos ng review with confidence at ultimately pumasa sa exam. Okay? So the more detailed ang pagkakaintindi mo dito, mas natural na lalabas sa ebook mo ang connection sa reader. Now let's go to step 3. Check market fit. Let's validate market match. And this is your last step. Double check kung may market fit ang topic mo. Pwede mong itanong kay ChatGPT by using this prompt. I want to write an ebook titled, and then insert your title, targeting, and then your target audience. And here are some pain points of my target audience. Okay, so you can put at least 3 pain points na sa level mo, sa understanding mo lang. Okay, now, does this topic have a good market potential in the Philippine market? Are there any additional pain points I should include? What are some tips to make my ebook title and content more appealing to this audience? So you can use the feedback from ChatGPT's generated answers to tweak your title or angle if needed. Okay? Now, if hindi masyadong pasok, of course, pwede mo pang i-adjust ang target reader or even the topic scope. Now, your task today. Una, define your target reader. Pangalawa, list 3 to 5 audience pain points. Pangatlo, list 3 to 5 audience goals or desires. And finally, let's validate via ChatGPT using the prompts, okay? And then save this market match profile kasi gagamitin natin ito sa writing and marketing ng ebook mo. Okay? And remember, the clearer the audience, the stronger your ebook connection and sale. Okay? And for today's attachment, you will be receiving the market match profile template in Google Doc, the ChatGPT Market Fit prompt card, and also some audience profile samples. Okay? So tomorrow sa day 6, tuloy natin ang part 2 ng day 5, and then ipapakita ko naman sa inyo yung mga sample case studies ng ebooks na naging successful para may guide ka rin sa style, tone, at flow. Okay? So tuloy lang tayo guys. Excited na ako makita ang progress niyo. Let's go!